All right, everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So we finally got a little escape here yesterday. Um, had to go for a little meeting in Subic anyway, so we decided to come down here to Morong. And interestingly, the hotel or the little resort I'm booking for, and Janice is helping booking. They're sold out, so we couldn't stay there, so we had to arrange something different. Huh? Two coffee? Alright, Janice said she is just doing some coffee.
Deliver.
Yeah. They deliver? Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, watch this, guys. It's watch this. It's really nice. This is what is it called now again? You changed the name on this one, right? It's called Miami Beach Resort. I think he called it at one point Miami Heat Beach Resort, and they made him change the name. Even though, which I think is strange, it's on the other side of the globe, but I guess Miami Heat. That's the basketball team, right?
Yeah.
They will probably trademark that name or whatever. So, but it's pretty nice here though. Not very crowded. It's Wednesday today. I think it's Wednesday today, right? And but he has a lot of stuff here. A lot of pools. I don't know how many rooms, but they have like I think 70 rooms or something, 80 rooms in this facility. And here is one courtyard pool, and it's pretty neat how they set this all up. It's good, but I can imagine this little area, how they have it, is going to be very, very tight if there's a lot of people here. Very crowded is what I mean. But this is the restaurant area. Everything obviously is a little low key right now because of this is kind of just now where people start being allowed to open up. This is the area out to the main reception, and here is another couple of pools, and it's interesting with a little waterfall coming down that way. Let me see if I can get to it. Maybe I can, right? There you go. You guys see the waterfall. This is the pool. It's in 3 steps. It's pretty interesting how they build it. 3 steps. What I'm walking on here, I can imagine can be pretty slippery. Oops. Okay. Yeah, what I'm walking on here, I could imagine be pretty slippery. Crazy slippery. There's the other pool. And the view from this end. But it's pretty decent. It's close to the beach. We're right down on the beach within 10 seconds if you want to. So let's get a view of it. Starts over here and goes over here. Underneath the upper deck, upper building, you have all the rooms. They're small rooms, but beds were comfortable, and it was pretty decent. Some people are here on the beach. There's not a whole lot of again, there's not a whole lot of people here, but it's according to rumors on the weekends, it could be pretty packed on the beaches already. So that's a pretty cool thing. I have to walk in the sand here. Alright, so we were just served our coffee, and we are going to enjoy a cup of coffee. Alright, so anyway, so we're going to continue to walk around this property and just check it out. What I did yesterday, I called around a little bit and found this little car that you see right ahead of me here. This one right here, the red one, Toyota, and they leased them actually. So here underneath the hotel, he has created a little indoor parking, and I'm going to go up out in the front, and you'll see where there is an office up here, office area. They had an office reception area right there, and they have some parking here in the reception as well. They had the office before, but now they have, I guess they have a sign. Please observe social distancing, 1.5 meters, no face mask, no entry. Disinfect your shoes, dry your soles, disinfect your hands, temperature reading, fill up the consent form and questionnaire, present your questionnaire to the front desk, fill out the registration form, and wait for your name to be called. So they have a few of these things going as well. So, well, I guess, you know, everybody, they will find them if they don't follow these protocols.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Stay.
All right. Are you guys just opening back up?
Yes.
You've been closed during COVID, pretty much? Yes.
2 years.
Huh?
2 years.
Right. Yeah. Yep. Okie dokie. All right, we continue this little walk, and this is where we have, I think, the residential rooms or rooms are in two levels here, and there's some stuff going on, some repairs and some additions. A lot of this he just added not so long ago, and obviously it hasn't been cleaned that much. And here's our rooms, S8. That's our room there. And oh yeah, that's what I was going to do. I was going to show you. Well, where did we get to it? Oh, I guess I'm already there. There we go. Here's another area that's pretty interesting. So they have all these pools, and they have areas where they can actually have people relocated, hang out by three, 4 different pools in the area, and it's interesting how they set it up. This could be a little dangerous with no rails. You fall down here and hit your head down there, could be detrimental. Well, and then several resorts down the road all the way down here and around this area. You guys have been with us to Island Waters, is down that way. The other little resort we have been to, despite the sun being right in the lens, it's up that way, about 1 kilometer up the road or up the beach. So you can walk here between these things, some beach restaurants and some other things. So it's interesting. Same style here, where you have a two-step pool with two different levels. It appears to me that this one down there be more like a kiddie pool for children, and it's pretty nice though. All right, so this is the way. This is the Miami Heat way, I guess. Miami Beach Resort. It's no longer Miami Heat Resort. All right, so that's a little tour for this little one. It's a place to go if you want to get out. There's a lot of guests from Bulacan and those areas. There's a lot of it. And you got your breakfast. You got your breakfast. Is it good? Okay. All right. So last night when we popped in here, I walked around and tried to catch the pool areas. They're pretty nicely lit up, and you know, it's kind of empty here, but anyway, we enjoy it, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon again at the next video. God bless you.